Wrapping up, guys, a one-on-one strategy session with a salon owner. I'm really excited for them on some of the changes and growth that's happening inside of their business. Headed out this weekend to Philadelphia. If you are one of my YouTube subscribers and you're a salon owner, suite owner, hairstylist, and you're in the tri-state area like Pennsylvania, Jersey, New York, really DMV, Virginia, even as low as the Carolinas or anywhere in the country, and you love haircutting, this is an incredible conference to go to. It's not my event. This is being held by Halima Reddick out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, who is one of, if not the leading color educator in the country, in my opinion. Just her understanding of hair color. Her nickname is the covered colorist, but she's probably equally as dynamic at hair cutting. She has an incredible business in Philadelphia, and she's put together a all-star lineup. Patrick Bradley, Kamandi out of Dallas, Texas, Hair by Uno in the ATL area. I heard that he's by way of St. Louis, the Pixie Prince out of Philadelphia himself, and of course, Halima Reddick and myself. So this is going to be an incredible lineup. Working on my presentation on my part, it's like a 6-person relay race, and we all have a significant amount of time to really, pour into the attendees that are going to be there, which honestly, I've already got word that some of the attendees are probably just as dynamic of educators that could also be on the stage. So the room is going to be loaded with a ton of energy. So if you're one of my followers, guys, and you have, never got a chance to see me in person, I've never got a chance to meet you, man, consider going to the link is going to be in this video and all of my other resources. I'm also going to put inside of this video some free tutorials to let you know about what I'm doing. Some of you guys may not know that although I've been on YouTube for a long time, I've taken off the tutorials and training to put them into a private platform. And that's how you can support this channel. Definitely would love to meet you in person this weekend. I'm excited, flying out this weekend on Saturday. I'm gonna be there for the event, which is Sunday and Monday, May 18th and 19th. Now, if you're able to make it, man, come up to me, don't get lost in a, room full of people. I'd love to meet you and let me know how long you've been following my channel here on YouTube. But if you can't make that, consider joining my tribe membership, and it supports this channel. I am a beauty educator, or really a hairstylist educator full-time. So what I do here on YouTube, on social media, and on my education subscription, I do full-time. I'm no longer behind the chair. So I travel as far as education. I do one-on-ones like this coaching session that I just had, and I do online education primarily. And the way you can support that, and I use the word support, I used to have a problem with that word, I'll be honest. I used to think it was kind of like asking people to do me a favor. But that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying in order for me to do this full time and not necessarily be behind the chair, to have the freedom to coach, to train, to create content that can help people all over the world. And that's my mission, not to necessarily be in one location, but to help people in salons and in salon suites where education can come to them. And they don't have to always go to education if they can or cannot make live events. Now, if you're in the tri-state area, man, make it out to Philly this weekend. The ticket is just $600 for a 2-day event. It's going to be laid out, beautiful venue. She always does things top notch. So the attendees are going to be blown away and going to get way more of an investment, in my opinion, and then what she's asking for with an incredible $600 ticket on the event. But man, consider the tribe membership. It's an online education subscription with tutorials, training, live broadcasts, interviews, and master classes once a month with industry leaders. There is social media training on, there is marketing for client building, and there is a list of step-by-step tutorials. No matter how long you've been following me here on YouTube, if it's been a year or somebody that's been here from the very beginning back in 2009, when this video dropped right here. All right, that is the end of our tour. We want to see you back here at Rhythm Hair Studio. I'm your host, owner, and lead stylist here. 706-569-7166, www.myspace.com/rhythm706. I'm out. Yeah, I mean, if you watch that video, that was July 4th, 2009. So I have been on this platform for 15 years. It's been a heck of a ride. If you want to get connected to me on a daily basis inside of our education community, it's $17 a month. I made it to where you could be a cosmetology student or you could be a salon owner with a chain of salons. Any and everybody can get involved. And I'm going to, in the link inside of this video, check out the link. I'm going to put 2 tutorials that are samples from that membership, and I have them to where you can pull it up right on your television if you're watching this on your TV or your phone or your iPad or your computer. That way you can see the quality of the step-by-step 30-minute, 40-minute, 25-minute trainings on hair color, balayage. I think I'm going to have inside of there a silk press one, step by step, that you can use immediately, and one that's balayage on natural hair. Watch those tutorials. If you decide not to join the tribe membership and just use the free tutorials, that's fine. I would hope that you would see that there's an effort to really raise the level of salon owners, suite owners, and hairdressers all around the country, and this membership helps me to do that and get it. Currently right now we're in about 30 states, members in 30 states in the United States, and up to about 16 different countries, and I want that to be all over the world. I know I don't necessarily live in a major metropolitan city, so education didn't always come to me, so it's been my passion over the years to be sure that everybody has access to get the most out of their business, to get the most out of their career, to charge what they really want to charge in their business, and not to have any lack of confidence when it comes to executing these styles that our clients are asking us to do each and every day. So again, guys, I'm wrapping up a coaching call. I'm doing my social media. Guys, follow me here on IG and on Facebook, but really subscribe here and put me on post notification on YouTube. Tell other people about this channel, because I plan to, I hate to say return back, but I plan to really just do more on a regular basis here, and I'm going to be vlogging this weekend, right? So I'm going to be taking you guys along the way on this trip, so look for that. I have a previous vlog last time I went to Philadelphia, and that was more kind of documenting the whole event. This time I'm going to really be talking to you guys, my YouTube community in particular, and taking you along the way. And this is going to be, it's a 2-day event, so it's like double what I did before. So it plans to be a really cool video and vlog. So I appreciate you, man, from the bottom of my heart, from my company, my family, both on myself and me and my wife, because again, this is our small business, online education for hairdressers, and we plan to really pump it up here on YouTube. So again, check the link, look at the free resources and the information on this weekend's event in Philadelphia, Cut Confidence. Can't wait to see you there if you plan to attend.